Now, before starting this question, we have already discussed the parameter of circuit parameter, how to determine with the help of no load test and block rotor test. We already discussed in part 1. Ri, Xm, Ri is the core loss component, Xm is the magnetizing component, okay, and X, that is X1 plus X2 dash, like this one, and R1 and R2. R1 is the stator resistance and R2 will be the rotor resistance referred to primary side. It is clear? Now read. If you any doubt how to determine, then you watch part 1. Okay. Now according to question in part C, A and B part already discussed in part 1. Okay. When the motor is running at slip 5%, estimate the braking torque developed when any two supply terminals are suddenly interchanged. If supply terminals are suddenly interchanged, what about braking torque? Okay, our motto we are focused on like this one. Okay, so before we have discussed braking torque, we have discussed what about the sequence of the motor if supply terminal is not changing. Okay, then after that we have discussed like this one. Okay, now first of all make that is stator, that is stator. Suppose that A, B, that is A, B and C, and supply terminal like this one, three-phase supply, or you can say three-phase balance supply like this one. Okay, that is A, B and C. This one and this one. This current I at the angle 0 and this current I at the angle minus 120 and this current I at the angle plus 120. Okay, that is ABC. It means what about IA? IA is I at the angle 0. IB, this is equal to I at the angle minus 120 and IC, this is equal to I at the angle plus 120. Okay, no any doubt corresponding this one. What about rotor? This is stator, that is stator winding, three phase balance stator winding like this one, and that is rotor. It is also three-phase balance winding, that is A, B, C. Okay, like this one. Now stator speed NS, this is equal to what about NS? NS, this is equal to 120 F by P, 120 into F 50 Hz divided by 4, that is 1500 RPM. Clear? It means stator magnetic field or you can say that stator field with respect to stator winding, that is 1500 RPM. Clear? What about rotor? Rotor running like this one, that is NR. What about the speed of NR? NR is written as NS into 1 minus S. What about the speed of NR at slip 5% means 0.05. So 1500 into 1 minus 0.05, that is 0.95 into 1500 that is 1425 RPM. Clear? It means rotor speed is 1425 RPM. Clear? If you want to make, that is IA is I at the angle 0. What about sequence IB? If you want to written IB, that is IB. And what about IC? IC like this one. This is plus 120 and that is minus 120. This is also written as 1 if I at the angle 0. Then what about IB? Is written like this one. And what about IC? Like this one. What about sequence? If you written sequence, that is ABC. Sequence always decide clockwise. So written as what about sequence? A, B, C. Clear? If three-phase balance winding on stator side and rotor side, okay, supply three-phase, if three-phase supply, balance supply is given on rotor, then what about IA, relation between IA, IB and IC? That is like this one. IA, I at the angle 0, IB, I at the angle minus 120, IC, this equal to minus plus 120. Clear? This sequence is called ABC. You can say that. If you written as XYZ, then also you can say that XYZ. It is clear? Okay. Now, first of all, make it. After that, we have discussed what is happening if any two terminal are suddenly interchanged. Okay. Now, right now, first of all, written as. Now, it is clear. What about torque develop? Direction of torque develop always like this one. Okay. Torque develop is decided by relative speed. Relative speed decided by ns minus nr. Direction of ns minus nr like this one. That's why torque develop like this one. Okay. During if three-phase balance supply on stator side. Clear? Now, corresponding to question, when any two supply terminal are suddenly interchanged. Suddenly interchanged means if rotor running corresponding to this one, then supply terminal are suddenly interchanged. It is not rotor stop after this supply are suddenly interchanged. Okay. During running condition, if rotor corresponding to this one, then supply terminal are suddenly interchanged. Suppose that let supply terminal B and C are suddenly interchanged. If B and C are suddenly interchanged, means what about this current are going through this one and this current are going through this one. Okay. Now, what about IB? In this case, that is positive. I at the angle plus 120. And what about IC? This is IA, this is IB, and that is IC. What about IC? IC is I at the angle minus 120. Clear? Clear? Let phase B and C are interchanged. Okay, then what about IA like this one, and what about IB? IB is I at the angle plus 120, and what about IC? IC is equal to minus 120. If you want to make like this one, this is IA, clear? I at the angle I at the angle 0, clear? What about IB? That is IC and that is IB. Clear? This one minus 120 and this one plus 120. IC is written as I minus 120 and IB is written as 1 plus, like this one. What about sequence? That is ACB sequence. If sequence are changed, what about rotor speed, stator speed? Stator magnetic speed also change in opposite direction. If during ABC sequence, suppose that corresponding to speed ns like this one, if supply terminal suddenly interchange, then what about rotor stator speed also change? And same ns like this one. Clear? What about ns? ns, rotation of ns like this one. Why, if supply terminal is suddenly interchanged, why speed, rotor stator speed are suddenly interchanged? Why all these supply terminal suddenly interchange, why stator magnetic field suddenly interchange. This concept already discussed in 4.01 and 4.02 lecture. Okay, if any doubt, then watch it. Okay, now it means sequence change, rotor speed also, stator speed also change. Clear? Now, if rotor stator speed like this one, what about relative speed? What rotor speed corresponding to this one? Rotor speed not change. Why not suddenly interchange? Because of due to inertia. Like this one, rotor speed corresponding to this one. But stator speed due to supply terminal are interchange. That's why NS change. That's why. What about relative speed? Relative speed direction also change. Is decided by NS. So NS minus corresponding to NS minus NR. So torque develop corresponding to this one. If torque develop corresponding to this one, it means opposite to the NR. That's why NR decreases. NR decreases. First of all, written out. Okay. First of all, written as when any two supply terminals are interchange. Okay, are interchange. What about phase sequence? Phase sequence of the current or reverse. Before supply terminal are interchange, what about phase sequence? That is ABC. You can say that we have already got ABC. After that, if supply terminal are interchange, it means what about phase sequence of the current? That is reverse. How to get? Like this one, that is ACB. ACB means that is the reverse of the ABC, the reversal of ABC. So the phase current is reverse. Clear? Hence the direction of stator magnetic field is reverse. Clear? Why reverse? Because of if phase sequence of the current are reverse, then what about stator magnetic field? Also reverse. If any doubt why reverse, then I already discussed in lecture 4.1 and 4.2. Okay, in starting in the concept of rotor magnetic field. That's why. Now what about torque develop? That the torque develop also reverse. Now that's why torque develop also reverse. Clear? This line are clear? Now due to reversal of the torque, what about the speed? Also decreases. Rotor speed also decreases because of direction of the torque, like this one, and the speed, rotor speed, like this one. That's why you can say that due to reversal of the torque, the speed of the rotor is going on decreasing. Clear? That is braking torque. Braking torque. Clear? That is braking. And this type of braking, this type of braking is called counter current braking, current braking, or plugging. First of all, right now, after that we have discussed. Now it is clear. This type of braking is called counter current braking or plugging. Okay. ACB means that is the reverse of ABC sequence. Clear? That is reversal of the ABC. Clear? Now, if now during braking, NR is the opposite direction of NS. During braking, NR is the opposite direction of NS. So written as during braking. So written as during braking. During braking, NR is in the opposite direction of NS. Okay. So what about slip? SB is written as NS minus NR divided by NS. It is clear that SB is written as NS plus NR divided by NS. It is also written as 2NS minus NS minus NR divided by NS. So 2 minus NS minus NR divided by NS, that is 2 minus S. Okay. So what about SB? That is 2 minus S. What about S? 0.5. So we got this one is 1.95. During braking, what about slip? Lie between 2 greater than 2 and less than 1. Clear? Why? Greater than 1 and less than 2. Clear? Now, that is braking slip. This is called braking slip. That is braking slip. SB, that is braking slip. Clear? Now, what about torque? Braking torque. TB is written as 3 by omega S into V square R2 dash upon SB divided by R1 plus R2 dash by SB to the whole square plus X1 plus X2 dash to the whole square. Clear? Now, I know that. What about omega S? Omega S, this is equal to 4 pi F by P. 4 pi, F is 50 Hz and P is 4 pole. That's why that is 50 pi radian per second. Clear? So it is written as 3 upon 50 pi into V, this will equal to 400 by root 3, that is 230.9 to the whole square, R2 dash 0.6 divided by, what about S? SB is 1.95 whole divided by R1, that is 0.7 plus 0.6 divided by 1.95 to the whole square plus x1 plus x2 dash, that is 3.825 to the whole square. Okay. That is 19.68 Newton meter. Okay. It is clear. That is braking torque, 19.68 Newton meter. Now, this braking torque always less than on full load torque. Full load torque corresponding to this slip is 69 point something. This one is 19.68. It is clear why it is less, because of what slip is increased, that's why. Now, rotor speed decreases after supply are interchanged. Phase sequence, you can say that phase sequence of the current are interchanged. What about rotor speed? Direction of torque developed. TB is equal to 19.68 Newton meter. Okay, that is braking torque. What about speed? Rotary speed decreases. Why? Direction of TB like this one. That's why. Near zero speed, if supply terminal are not disconnected, then this speed NR, direction of NR going on opposite direction and pick up the speed corresponding to this slip in opposite direction. Okay. Now, so written as 0 near speed supply should be disconnected. Otherwise it may pick up speed in the opposite direction. Okay, clear right now? Now next part, when the motor is running like this one, at slip like this one, they determine input power and power factor. First of all, make the approximate equivalent circuit on stator side of the induction motor in per phase. That is Ri, Xm, and that is R1 plus R2 dash by S, and that is X1 plus X2 dash, that is I2 dash, and this one V0. Suppose that V0 at the angle 0, then I1. Our motor 3-phase power input, that is, it means 3 V0 into I1 into cos phi. Phi means angle between V0 and I1, input current like this one. This one is I0, clear? Now, what about I2 dash? If you want to I1, means determine I0 plus I2 dash. So what about I2 dash? I2 dash is written as V0 at the angle 0 divided by R plus Jx. Okay, clear? R plus Jx. that is R and plus Jx. If you want to I2 dash, then this voltage is also corresponding to this voltage, that's why this voltage divided by this impedance. So, and V naught is written as 400 divided by root 3, that is 230.9. That is 230.9 at the angle 0 divided by, what about R? R is 0.7 plus 0.6 divided by, what about slip? 0.05 to the plus Z. What about X? That is 3.825. Clear? Determine I2 dash with the help of calci. 5.02. Clear? Now next one, I naught. I know that I naught is equal to II plus Im. That is II and that is Im. What about I? I is equal to V naught at the angles divided by Ri. So 230.9 divided by 390.24 at the angle 0. 230.9 divided by 390.24, 0.59 at the angle 0 degree. And what about Im? That is 230.9 at the 0 divided by Jxm. Xm is written as 42.2475. So finally minus J. 230.9 divided by 42.2475, that is 54654. So this value are putting here. Finally 0.59 minus J 5.4624. Okay, so finally I1 is equal to I naught plus I2 dash are written as I naught is II 0.59 minus J 5.02 plus I2 dash, sorry, 4624 plus I2 16.66 minus J 5.0. 185 at the angle minus 31.28. Okay. So what about I1 in magnitude wise? 85, 20.85. And what about angle? Phi is 31.28. Of course, V0 is 230.9 at the angle 0 degree. And what about I1? I1 is 20.185 at the angle minus 31.28. So what about P in? That is 3 into, this is per phase voltage and per phase current. Per phase voltage, that is, sorry, per phase voltage is 230.9 and per phase current 19 point input current like 185 into cos 31.28. Okay, now cos 31.28, that is into 20.185 into 230.9 into 3. Finally we got 11.949 kilowatt. That is P input. Okay, and this one clear. I1 lags V naught by how much angle? 31.28. So supply power factor or input power factor. So input power factor, that is cos 31.28 lakhs, that is how much? Cos 31.28, that is 0.8546 lakhs. Make it.